From the beginning, when we stepped on the field, the support from the fans, the kufiyas that we wore on their necks, the roses we gave, it all means something, you know. It's all sending a message to not just people in Europe, but all over the world about what's going on in Palestine and how we've advanced so much.
وعبيد